today we're at the Florida State Supreme Courthouse, and we've just heard from two of our Supreme Court justices, and I think that this has just been such an exciting program. And this day, I keep saying I'm geeking out on this day because I love the profession that we've chosen. I think it's a noble profession. I believe in what we do. And I love seeing the history that's here in this building and the people who every day are participating in interpreting our Constitution and helping us figure out the law and what that means for citizens.
I think what stood out to me the most was the library. The library that is open to the public, that has books from not only the United States, but around the world. Books 10 years old, 100 years old, 500 years old. Being a part of the Florida Bar Leadership Academy is also extremely special because it not only teaches us about the Florida Bar and how to become leaders within it, it teaches us about ourselves, both our strengths and our weaknesses, and how we can do the best for the public and our profession and make changes in the future.
Florida Bar website, and this is really important because, as I said, we partnered with them. If you go to the website under benchmarks, of course, is a program of the Florida Bar, but we're really all connected. Annette Pitts, who's law-related education, she's kind of combined both. So you'll see, you'll have everything that you need, to both the PowerPoint and the handout.
So when you come and argue before us, believe me, I have a lot of sympathy, and when I know when the justice is really coming down and you got your pen and you don't know what to answer, I'll usually throw you a soft question, a friendly, soft ball question.
You just go to the main homepage for the public, they're in person form, and it'll get you to.
I've gotten to meet attorneys from all over the state of Florida practicing in areas of law, some of which I didn't know were areas of law that people practiced in. And just being able to make friendships and know when you have a question or something that you're not sure about, that you have a whole group of people that you can contact. And hopefully these could be sources of new business. Certainly I have made a lot of friends, and just the social aspect of it has been very rewarding.
On December 1 of every year, there will be a posting on the Florida Bar's website, specifically on the homepage, where an application may be accessible. And we invite members of the bar to apply, and once they apply, the Leadership Academy Committee then makes a selection of the final class. So that's the process. Usually the application period runs for about 45 days through January 15.
When you come out of law school and you're a relatively new lawyer, there's a lot of things that you don't know. And you've obviously just passed the bar, so you know a lot of legal knowledge, but there's a whole world out there involved in a bar organization that you really don't have much exposure to. And so things like the Leadership Academy give young attorneys, new attorneys, a chance to learn how to build their skills to become the leaders of tomorrow, while also learning about what the bar does as an organization. And I think that's very important.
The Academy consists of 6 sessions over a full year period, so it's quite a commitment. But what we've found is that we have had a lot of wonderful success stories that have occurred as a result of having gone through the Academy. Anecdotal stories such as we have 4 or 5 past alum that are currently on the Board of Governors in different capacities, either on committees or on the board itself, and certainly who have taken leadership roles in local voluntary bar associations. So it really has been tremendous. We have alum who have done a lot with community programs and nonprofits that are also taking leadership roles. So it really has been a tremendous thing to watch our young leaders grow and prosper.